Hi teachers. One thing that was shared with us in our meeting the other day was the access code that you have attached to each of your courses. That course access code gives anyone access to your class if they have it. Mr. Gibson thinks that he hasn't disabled it so that no children are able to use the course access code. Children are able to see it, but they cannot access it. But to give more security, he suggested that on our pages in each class, we scroll down to the green box and click the X. When we click the X and hide the access code, we no longer see it on our page, but it is not gone forever. If you wanted to get the access code back on your page, you would click Members, and the access code is there. You would click the button that says Show in Left Menu, and your access code is again back at the bottom.